kids, in this video I will teach you that small things. Are you ready? Let's go. What are small things? Small things are the things that are little in size. They are not big, they are tiny and cute. Ant. Look at this ant. The ant is very small. It can walk on your finger. Ant is a small thing. Coin. This is a coin. The coin is small. We keep it in our pocket. So, coin is a small thing. Pencil. This is a pencil. The pencil is small. We use it to write and draw. Pencil is a small thing. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. It is small and sweet. Yummy. Strawberry is a small thing.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.